exhale 6 seconds. And then you tell your kidneys, and I want you to take the same amount of time as the exhale to inhale to help you to heal completely.
Chunyi Lin explains that breath is far more than just oxygen. Moving in and out of the lungs, it is also the movement of life energy, or qi, throughout the body. According to his teachings, when your breathing becomes shallow, rushed, or tense, energy can become blocked, especially around the lungs and chest area. These blockages may leave you feeling tired, emotionally heavy, mentally foggy, or physically tense without fully understanding why.
When you breathe in or out, you will find when you inhale, it might take longer time. You are able to take longer time to inhale, but when you exhale, and you cannot exhale as long as the time you take to inhale, or the opposite. If you have this experience, now if you can inhale longer time and exhale shorter time, that means your kidney energy is strong and your lungs energy, and there's some blockages in your lungs so that you're not able to exhale for that long. If you can exhale a long time, but when you inhale, you just take maybe 2-3 seconds, then that's it. But when you exhale, you can exhale 5-10 seconds. When you inhale, only for a few seconds, much shorter than the time you exhale, that means you have energy blockages in your kidneys, in your reproductive organs, or in your bone marrow. Isn't that amazing? So that just through breathing, the rhythm of breathing, the length of inhale and exhale, you are able to find out what's wrong in your body, in the major organs. So now what do you do? What do you do? Try to make it longer, right? Try to open up the channels so that you are able to exhale or inhale longer.
When you're overwhelmed, you hold your breath without noticing. Chunyi Lin teaches that these moments don't just affect the body physically, they interrupt the natural flow of healing energy. The lungs, in many energy traditions, are deeply connected with vitality, emotional release, and overall wellness. If energy gets stuck there, your whole system can feel out of balance.
Sometimes, do you have this feeling? When you raised up your hand, you detect energy blockage for your friend. You know, left hand and right hand, doesn't matter, right? You hold your hand, and sometimes you feel this a pinching pain in this part of the hand. So now here I draw a picture here. So I'm not an artist, please forgive me. Okay, so right hand, right? And the left hand, now then this words were reversed. Okay, so this is this part, the middle part, that is the heart. So sometimes do you feel as the other area I don't feel too much, just this area I feel the pinching pain or the numbness in the under the arm, under the thumb area, or this kind of a numbness in the bottom of the palm, or so under the.
This step relaxes your nervous system and prepares your body for healing.
Wow, there's a lot of a cold feeling. And then, so again, this area, you know, right underneath of the pinky finger, and you feel, well, there's a purple color there. You know, the color is abnormal when I detect energy blockage. What does that mean? Well, you tell. The middle over here, that's the heart. You can pinpoint this person, the heart energy is really, really in challenge. And this area, that's the liver. And the bottom over here, the bottom of the palm, that is the kidneys. And the lungs over here, next to the kidneys. So you memorize this picture, each time when you, especially when you determine how serious this person's blockages is or are. Now this is very, very helpful. If you feel this a very strong sensation in any of these spots, that means very strong, maybe even life-threatening energy blockages in that part of the body. So it's very, very handy. Of course, you need to practice more. So in our healing connection, we'll have an opportunity to practice this. So you say, okay, now I want you to put up one hand, left hand, right hand, doesn't matter. Now I want you to, at this moment, find somebody in your memory who is in critical situation, and then you scan.
This allows energy to settle and integrate. It strengthens your energy channels and deepens relaxation and healing.
2 minutes. All right, now close your eyes and go through your memory at this moment and see who at this moment you can think who has a strong or serious energy blockages in the body. All right, now you lift up your hand and detect energy blockage and see what part of the body has more serious energy blockage. Okay, scan. Just slowly move your hand. Turn, drop your elbows, drop your shoulder, stretch your fingers slightly open and detect, scan. Okay, from the head down to the feet.
This balances the connection between body and mind, harmonizes yin and yang, and restores inner peace.
And breathe slowly and gently while you're doing so, and focus on the feeling of the hand. Okay, 30 seconds to go. Okay, now you can put your hand down, take a deep breath. So rub your hands and massage your face. So up to you, tune in. You put yourself in a very deep meditation, actually in seconds. So each time when you finish that, you need to rub your hands and massage your face to bring yourself back to where we are doing now at this moment. Otherwise, you'll feel kind of not grounded, right? So make sure each time you do that.